So let's talk about this Amenazel Soursop Detox Bitters. So I did a detox, right? It's 21 different herbs and roots in this detox. And let me tell you, it is the truth.
Hello, folks. Amenazel. I've been saying that wrong the whole time. My bad.
So you might find it quite disgusting. Okay, so when I tried this actual detox, it was something different because I am not used to what's called bitters. And the taste of this was like so crazy. So I did a little research online to actually research and get some information as far as who actually did the detox for this Soursop Bitters. And everyone that I saw that did this challenge, they all just kind of just gagged. And I was like, oh, well, it couldn't be that bad. So I purchased my bottle of the Amenazel Soursop Bitters. And let me tell you, they gagged for a reason, because this is probably one of the worst things I've ever tasted. Seriously. I did need to have something citrus. I took mine with like the little bitty cutie oranges. I'm not sure if you're familiar with cuties, but they're the little bitty mandarins. I had to knock those back because this taste, I mean, you're supposed to take like a shot of this, like a shot glass after you eaten your dinner. And that's what I did. And I went through it. After the first 3 days, I started getting used to it, but those first few days was a struggle. And I see what everybody meant. But it was worth the go through. You're gonna go through it. But the benefits outweigh that go through. So I had to take the shots. I took my shots, but immediately after, I had to knock back oranges, and I had I think cough drops. I had plenty of water. You're not supposed to consume alcohol because that seems like it would make sense to get rid of that taste, but no, you're not supposed to do that. You're defeating the purpose at that point. But man, because this taste is like once you take the shot, you feel like it's cool, but then all of a sudden it like builds in the back of your tongue somehow. And I don't know, let me know if you guys understand what I mean. But it's like it builds, and it's like you think that it's going away, and it just increases and increases, and you're steady trying to just change that awful taste in your mouth, but you can't. And so I finally, after a while, probably about 15 minutes of crying real tears, because this is a whole experience. It goes away. So it's like, oh my God. So you have to really seriously be prepared to do this. If you're not, it's not for the weak. It's not for the weak. But the benefits are great. So I did this for 7 days, and all the benefits were good. I plan on doing it again.
And let's look at this bottle. Remember to shake well before serving. And let's get into
the benefits. It supports the following: digestive health, eye health, circulatory health, immunity, vitality,
and healthy respiratory function.
This herbal tonic has a powerhouse of ingredients. As you can see, all the herbs in here are potent.
It's important
that we detox because our environment is very toxic right now. I'm pretty sure you're very well aware of that. We've been having issues with our air, our water, our food. So we want to make sure we're staying on top of being clean about our bodies by trying to eat things that's more healthier, even though our healthy foods sometimes have pesticides and insecticides and herbicides, or sometimes our food has antibiotics or things like hormones in those if you eat meat and things of that nature. We want to make sure we're detoxing. And when we detox, we get rid of, or at least get rid of most of the toxins in our bodies, as far as parasites, bad bacteria, negative energy. And we do know a lot of disease is caused by parasites, but that's stories for another day. But we want to make sure we're detoxing properly, and making sure we're trying to clean out our system. Our lymphatic system needs our help. We would need to drink plenty of water, eat fruits and vegetables, and periodically, at least 4 times a year on a season. Just make sure you're cleaning out your system, giving it a good detox. And this particular detox was good. You're going to start feeling lighter, you're going to gain clarity, you're going to start sleeping better. You will, or at least from my experience, I was able to get up early, I had more energy, I was able to, eat just fruits. Like, I lost the craving for sugar, and that's one thing that I really love is sugar, which is not a good habit, but I'm just being truthful. And so when I did this detox, I lost the actual craving for sugar. I started eating more fruit and less refined sugar and sweets. So if anybody else has taken this detox, let me know what your experience is or was, because it just changed my whole taste buds.
All right, guys, here's one last look at the bottle. Look at the wonderful ingredients that are listed. And I will be doing more videos regarding detoxes that are beneficial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Bye.